distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 6th Middle East International Dermatology and Aesthetic Medicine Conference and Exhibition, MEIDAM 2021. This is an exciting morning indeed. Over the years, MEIDAM has welcomed aspiring medical professionals and scientists from around the globe. And for the second time, we are hosting a hybrid event, which means that we are making MEIDAM accessible for both in-person participants and online. Although most delegates were hoping to attend MEIDAM in person, we still share the same spirit, sharing ideas, discussing innovations, and presenting the latest updates and developments in the fields of dermatology and anti-aging medicine. In the Middle East, the field of medicine has gone through remarkable progress. Pioneers have paved the path for future generations to excel and thrive while providing assistance in their lives. And to celebrate these extraordinary people, we launched the Pioneers Award back in 2016 as a token of appreciation to them. And since then, we have had the privilege of celebrating 5 of the most amazing pioneers in this field. And as we continue our legacy, and as my colleague, the President, Dr. Khalid Naimi, just announced, we have a very remarkable personality who shall win this award today. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are honoring the forever remembered late Sheikh Hamdan Bin Rashid Al Maktoum. The late Sheikh Hamdan, for those of you who knew him, know that he was a foundation in a man, a heart the size of a nation, and a statesman whose exploit filled every country. He always supported innovators, thinkers, researchers, students, and workers in every field, especially in the medical field. The late Sheikh Hamdan Bin Rashid was the Minister of Finance since the first formation of the UAE cabinet back in 1971. He was also known for his interest in humanitarian work, which was initiated in 1997 by establishing the Al Maktoum Foundation that extended to its work in 69 countries. His work was not limited to humanitarian relief, but extended to education. And this resulted in establishing the Hamdan Bin Rashid Al Maktoum Foundation for distinguished academic performance to support quality and encourage excellence in the educational sector, locally, regionally, and internationally. In 2016, he was awarded the highest medal of appreciation by UNESCO for his efforts in supporting education and science. Furthermore, the Sheikh Hamdan Bin Rashid Al Maktoum Award for Medical Science was established in 1999, and since then, it has honored distinguished scientists, established the Center for Arabic Genetic Studies, supported medical education program, and raised community awareness. And in recognition for his initiatives, the late Sheikh Hamdan received honorary fellowship degrees from the Royal College of Physicians in London, the Royal College of Physicians in Edinburgh, and the Royal College of Physicians and Surgeons in Glasgow in 2016. Of course, no words can describe Sheikh Hamdan. His legacy will remain as an inspiration for charitable work, benevolence, and shaping the future. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Middle East International Dermatology and Aesthetic Medicine Conference and Exhibition, please join us today in honoring the forever remembered late Sheikh Hamdan Bin Rashid Al Maktoum as the winner of the 2021 MEIDAM's Pioneers Award. Dr. Khalid and I had the privilege last night to visit the sons of Sheikh Hamdan, Sheikh Rashid bin Hamdan, Sheikh Saeed bin Hamdan, and Sheikh Maktoum bin Hamdan. so pleased that they welcomed us in the Zabil Palace and give them this award on behalf of MEIDAM. رحمك الله يا شيخ حمدان وجعل ما عملته في ميزان حسناتك.